Octave is particularly effective in operating with matrices. In this video, we talk about how to define a matrix or a vector, some basic matrix operations, and how to plot functions using vectors. You can enter a row vector by typing its components inside square brackets, separated by commas or spaces, like so. To enter a column vector, we follow a similar procedure, but use semicolons instead of commas, like so. Remember that semicolons are also used to suppress the output. Ranges are row vectors with evenly spaced elements. The syntax is as follows. We give the first element, the step, and the last element separated by semicolons, by colons. In this example, the start value is 1, the last value is 2, and its value is greater than its previous one by a value of 0.1. If the step is omitted, the default step is 1. In order to plot a function f, all we need to do is define a range x and then compute a vector with values f of x and plot them together. If the function is not discrete, we will need to make the range x as compact as possible. Let's define a range x. Now let's plot x together with the values of the function sin of x. By using the hold on command, any new plots will be overlapped onto the existing ones. You can change the color or the style of a line using some of the available stylish options. For example, let's make one of the two lines red. A detailed list of options can be found in page 6 of your book. The hold on command will be good until you issue the hold off command. Matrices can be defined in a similar way as vectors. Here we define a 3 by 3 matrix M with these values. You can take individual values of the matrix by using the subscripts. 6 is the value in the second row and the third column. You can take a row, a whole row or a whole column of a matrix by using the following command. To compute the transpose of a matrix, we use the apostrophe operator. Basically, this computes the complex conjugate transpose of the matrix, but if the matrix constitutes of real values, this is similar to the transpose. If the matrix contains complex values, use a dot in front of the apostrophe. Matrix addition, subtraction, and multiplication, as these are formally defined, can be performed by using the plus, minus, and star operators. For example, if we have two matrices M, which we have already defined, and A, defined like so, we can perform addition, subtraction, and multiplication of the two matrices. Slash and backslash are used for right and left division respectively. B slash A equals B times A inverse, whereas A backslash B equals A inverse times B. For example, let's perform A backslash M here. And M backslash A. M slash A. You can perform scalar addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division by using the dot operator in front of the corresponding operator, like so. You can also define some special matrices. For example, the zeros function gives a matrix of zeros of the size that you define the parentheses. The special matrix ones gives you a matrix of ones. You can also define the identity matrix as so. Last but not least, you can use a diag command in order to create a column vector which consists of all the diagonal elements of a matrix, like so.